Welcome to Archiesense. This house in Yokohama is a prototype created by a Japanese real estate agency to show potential clients a new concept design. The house is not intended for living in, but as a reference for young couples, retirees, or career women who want to have a house with a contemporary design. In Japan, it is common for people who want a house with a garage and a backyard to provide their own land and have the agency create the desired design. This makes the process of buying a house like buying a product, where the house is designed to a standard but can be customized. This approach affects the entire design process through to construction. Standard solutions, often with prefabricated construction, are used to keep the final cost down. Every design decision follows this method, although for those unfamiliar with Japanese culture, it may be difficult to appreciate it just by looking at the end result. A Mediterranean-style wooden house in Japan is something unique. After understanding Japanese customs, a strong concept design was chosen as the foundation, giving the house character and allowing for customization without changing the core identity of the house. The Mediterranean style evokes intimacy with the courtyard serving as the central element. This design allows for a comfortable and intimate space in the midst of the dense Japanese city. The concept is to integrate the outside elements into the house, giving a sense of openness. The interior and exterior are connected at various points. There is a large terrace, a small balcony, and a courtyard as the main element in the center of the house, surrounded by other spaces. Each exterior space provides a different experience, both in shadow and sunlight. The courtyard in the center of the house serves as the center of the ground floor, providing light, ventilation, and transparency. This creates a sense of wider space, different from the usually narrow Japanese architecture, and provides a more open and refreshing atmosphere. The windows in this house are designed to reflect daily activities, whether to broaden the perspective, bring in natural light, or simply create a comfortable atmosphere. This house is intended as a place to enjoy life, not just a living machine, as defined by Le Corbusier. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.